We all know July as the height of summer, but did you know that it has a darker history in the Irish language? The older people in Donegal had a few terms for it, one of them being Mina Sul Shear and Mina Sul Bui, meaning the month of the fallen back eyes or sunken eyes, or the month of the yellow eyes, referring to hunger. You used to be so hungry back then because the crops weren't ready to be eaten. So you'd be so hungry that your eyes would be going back in your head. So they actually named the month Mina Sul Shear or Mina Sul Bui, the month of the yellow eyes. And another term for it is Mianocris, which goes right straight to the point, the month of hunger. So a sad term for the month of July in the Irish language, and shows you the tough history our ancestors had. So Mina Sul Shear is what I heard from my uncle in Glencomkill, and Mina Sul Bui is said to in Glencomkill and Glenties Irish in Donegal, and Mianocris in Connacht, I believe.